Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to be talking about working on shared documents. Now there are a number of ways to share documents, and when we create a new note inside of a business notebook, for example, we create a note, we place that note in one of our business notebooks, and then we write a title. Now when we open up this document, we are going to want to make sure that we're not working in Internet Explorer or Firefox. We need to be working in Google Chrome or some other browser that is supported by both Drive and Evernote, because we're going to take advantage of the integration. And in fact, what we're going to do is we're going to insert a document from our Drive and we're going to insert it. Now the only disadvantage to using Google Docs in this case is that the content inside will not be searchable. The title will be searchable, any tags will be searchable, but the document itself will not be searchable. However, one of the things that we can do is we can open up this document and we can actually give other people on our team the opportunity to work on the document. So when we share this document with others, we're going to put their name and email address in, and then we're going to actually give them the opportunity to edit the document. Now this means then that when they get the document inside of Evernote, not only will they be able to work on it, but they'll also be able to edit it and make changes to the actual document. This makes the shared workspace even more powerful because not only will you be able to comment on it with your team, but you'll also be able to work on the document and correct it in the team. What you'll want to do is to make sure that you are keeping track of the changes to the document and that you'll want to have a procedure in place so that people are communicating the changes that they actually make. However, this does not overshadow the fact that this gives us the opportunity to work on the document as well as to share it. And we can change those options in the advanced section. We can go a little further and prevent editors from changing access or adding new people, as well as disabling options to download, print, and copy. Again, this is not something that you have to do, but there are options that you have in terms of giving people permission to use the document and work on it. Now, there are a couple of things that you'll want to note. The other individuals working on the document, they are going to need to work in their Google Drive account in order to make changes to the document, and you are going to have to be using Google Chrome to be able to participate in working on this document using the Google Drive integration link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.